Too far away from the curb again. If only this Polo had a feature to help me park better. Well folks, luckily there is a feature that can help you park better and get closer to the curb. It's called reverse tilt mirror. You configure the mirror so that it tilts downward when you go in reverse, so you can see the curb better and you can park better. You just have to make sure that the knob for controlling the mirror is turned to R, otherwise it won't work. So turn it to R and then park. And in we go. Okay, I see the curb. I'm turning. Ooh, wow, that is, wow. That is quite the parking job. I'm about 5 kilometers from the car in front of me, but I am close to that curb. Oh, wow. When the mirror is in the tilted down position and you'd like it to be back in the normal position, you can either turn the mirror adjustment knob, the one on the left, back from R to 0, or you can just drive forward at 15 kilometers per hour. I'll also show you how to save the mirror setting per key, so different drivers can have different settings. Open the car door with the key for which you want to configure the mirror. Turn on the ignition. Put the car in neutral. Put the car in reverse. And now you can adjust the mirror. Make sure the mirror knob is turned to R and then adjust it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we can leave the mirror setting mode or mirror adjusting mode. To do this, we put the car in neutral and then we turn off the ignition. In order for the feature to work, you have to make sure it's activated in the settings in the car menu. Typically, you can just keep it activated all the time. You only have to turn it off if you have a particular reason, like for example, in the winter, potentially ice on the mirror could cause it to break when using this function. So if you would like to, just turn it off for the winter, for example. To change this setting, press Car, Settings, Mirrors and Wipers, and make sure lower while reversing is selected. As you can see here, you can turn it off if you need to, and you can turn it back on again. I find this feature really useful. One unfortunate thing about it though is that it only works for the right mirror. It's not possible to do it for the left mirror, so it only helps you when parking on the right. Another feature that could be but isn't is to store the normal setting for the mirror. Unfortunately, you have to set that as needed. That doesn't get saved. You can't set it per key, but you can set the reverse tilt mirror per key, so let's be thankful for that. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you'd like to see similar videos, please click subscribe. If you have a suggestion for another video, please leave it in the comments. And always watch out for butterflies.